You filed California's joint petition for summary dissolution, Form FL-800, together, and now one of you wants to back out. Here is the form that does that. Form FL-830, Notice of Revocation of Joint Petition for Summary Dissolution, is a one-page Judicial Council form under Family Code Section 2402. It stops a pending summary dissolution case before the judgment becomes final. The form's own language spells out who can file it. The undersigned terminates the summary dissolution proceedings and revokes the joint petition. Only one signature line appears on the form. Revoking is a single, unilateral act. Either spouse or domestic partner who joined the original FL-800 can revoke it alone, without the other person co-signing this notice. Timing is central here. California's summary dissolution process runs on roughly a 6-month waiting period before the judgment takes effect. Form FL-830 can stop the case anytime during that window. Once the effective date on the judgment has already passed, FL-830 can no longer stop it. Filing FL-830 states, under penalty of perjury, the date the original FL-800 was filed. The instructions on the form call for bringing the completed original plus 2 copies to the same Superior Court clerk's office, where the FL-800 case is pending. If the effective date has not occurred yet, the clerk completes the clerk's certificate of mailing at the bottom of the form, confirming the notice was filed, and mailing a copy to both people at the addresses listed. Once that certificate is dated and signed, the summary dissolution case is over, but the couple stays married or in a domestic partnership. The form spells this out directly. Revoking does not end the marriage. Anyone who still wants to get divorced after this needs to start a regular divorce case with Form FL-100, the petition, marriage, or domestic partnership. The most common mix-up with this form is timing, attempting to file it after the judgment's effective date has already passed, when FL-830 can no longer stop the case. The other is assuming revocation ends the marriage. It only ends the summary dissolution case. Virdix is a document preparation service, not a law firm, and this video is not legal advice. If a summary dissolution case gets revoked and the couple still wants to divorce, Virdix's wizard at Virdix Co. helps prepare the regular divorce paperwork, starting with Form FL-100, free during beta. For advice about your specific situation, talk to a licensed attorney.